Finally, we will discuss about second order derivative. Okay, second order derivative here. Second order derivative. Second order derivative. Second order derivative. First order derivative means one time differentiation. dy by dx, this y is function of x. Y is function of x. Then one time differentiate, that means dy by dx. That means function का differentiate, we have to differentiate function. And suppose for example this is equals to 2x square. Then first time differentiate, then 4x. Again this derivative is a function of x. So again we can try to find the derivative of this, because this is a function of x with respect to x. Maybe derivative exists, may not be exist, but may exist. Suppose here we are considering with functions that function derivative, second order derivative will exist. Means first time differentiate and then again differentiate, that is second order. That means dy upon dx is a function of x. So again differentiate it with respect to x again. Then what? dy dx of 4x equals to what? 4. So second order derivative is 4. Or here this is denoted by what? Double times. Means y का derivative first time dx by dx, second time dx by dx, two times. Two times means what? d2, read is like this, d2 by dx square. So first time then second time, square हो गया, ये square हो गया. How we read it? d2y upon dx square. d2y upon dx is the second order derivative. Also we denote this first time derivative denoted by 1 or y dash or y1, first time differentiation. Second time differentiation y2. Second time differentiation what? y2 or y double dash. These are the notation for second order derivatives of y. Y means fx. You can write also like this, d2 upon dx square fx. Fx means what? Y. So you can also getting third order derivative, fourth order derivative if it exists. So here we are concerning with only second order derivative. Okay, first time differentiate, then again second time differentiate, and trying to find as in given the questions. Okay, so here we take first questions. In first question what given? Given y equals to what? Sine of log of x, and we have to find second order derivative. Okay, so first this is given to differentiate first time, differentiate with respect to x. We get what? dy upon dx, left side, dy upon dx equals to differentiate it composite function. So first differentiate with respect to x, sin का होना है. So what? Cos of log x, and then again differentiate log x, 1 upon x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, we get this. Differentiate dy dx, derivative of this composite function, पहले sin का होना है, cos हो गया, cos log x का होना है 1 by x. So we get like this, cos of log x upon x. This is the value of dy by dx. Now again differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x. We get both sides. So here dy dx of dy upon dx on left side and right side, dy dx of cos log x upon x. On left side you get like this d2y upon dx square. This is second order derivative. Here differentiation of this with respect to x. So numerator upon denominator, division rule. The division rule means how you differentiate? Denominator square, denominator into derivative of numerator. So what? Minus sign इसका derivative. Minus sign of log x into again derivative of log x. What? 1 by x minus sign of derivative of denominator x का derivative 1 into numerator cos of log x. Okay, this is the derivative. Now we see that what we get, multiply this x inner side, the x cancel and x will be here. Okay, so न्यूमरेटर का 1 हो गया, x का 1 cos log x. Okay, now we get minus of x का इंटू करें, यहाँ पर x आना है, सो माइनस ऑफ, दोनों में माइनस है, कॉमन लेके बाहर लिख देते हैं. सो नाउ साइन ऑफ log x प्लस x इंटू कॉस ऑफ log x. Okay, no, product of this only with this, x into this only. So x cancel and minus sin log x. So minus बाहर कर दिया, minus outside sin log x plus minus बाहर हो गया plus cos log x upon x square. So this is second derivative, d2y upon dx square. Okay, clear? Second order derivative means first time differentiate and then again second time differentiate. Okay, now take question second. In the question second you see a relation between second order derivative and first order derivative. So this type of questions, proving this type of questions, you can find first derivative of this and also find second derivative of this and then put the value what you get in left hand side and solving it you can get right hand side, then it will be proved. Or directly you can get this relation one by one if you differentiate. So here we are denoting in short we are denoting dy by dx what? y1, d2y by dx square what? y2. So using short notation. Now we will solve question second. In short notation, if we write this relation, what will be then? 1 minus x square, this is y2 minus x y1 equals to 0. This is in short notation. This is y2, this is y1. So now here we will solve questions Second, given y equals to sin inverse x, equation 1. So first time differentiate with respect to x, we get y1, first time differentiate. y1 equals to what? Differentiate this with respect to x. 1 upon root 1 minus x square. You know the derivative of sin inverse x equals to this. Okay. Now our target is what? Finding this relation from here. y2, y1 means what? Function of dy by dx. That is also function of x. So here we can write like this: y1 into root of 1 minus x square equals to 1. Squaring both side, we can do also squaring both side. Then y1 square means what? dy upon dx square and 1 minus x square equals to 1. Squaring both sides. Okay. This is first time differentiation. Okay. Now differentiate second time. Okay. Again differentiate with respect to x. We get, फिर एक बार डिफरेंशिएट कर देते हैं तो क्या होगा? लेफ्ट साइड dy by dx of y1 into y1 square 1 minus x square equals to dy by dx of 1. So left side, here y1 square is one function, 1 minus x square is another function. First function, second function. So derivative of, so here differentiate first function means y1 square. Okay, y1 square, first function, and second function, derivative of second function. Derivative of first function, derivative of second function means 1 का 0, x square का 2x with respect to x, plus first function, derivative of second function, then derivative of first function, y1 square, that means what? dy by dx square is again differentiating. So this is single quantity, square function, so 2 of dy upon dx, first this, and then again differentiate dy by dx with respect to x. This means second time differentiate dy by dx square. That is what? 2 y1 y2. This is 2 y1 y2. So derivative of this 2 y1 y2. So derivative of first function 2 y1 y2 and second function 1 minus x square equals to right side 0. Constant का derivative 0, 1 का derivative. So here we get minus 2 y1 square x plus multiply this 2, or simply write like this: y1 y2 1 minus x square equals to 0. Now we see that 2 is common here. 2 is common. 2 common and also y1 also common. So dividing by 2y1. So we get minus y1 into x. 2 2y1 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं पूरे में, माइनस y1x प्लस 2 कैंसिल, y1 कैंसिल, y2 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 0, डिवाइडिंग बाई 2y1 on both side, dividing by 2y1 on both side. Okay, so finally get like this relation, 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 equals to 0, that is y minus x square d2y upon dx square, y2 means this, minus x dy upon dx equals to 0. Okay, so this is our proof. Okay, so one by one you can differentiate, or you can also find the value of dy by dx and d2y by dx square, and then put the value on left hand side, you can get right hand side as a 0, then that will be also true. But this is another technique, finding this type of relation, one by one differentiate and solve and try to get what you want. Okay, so note down very seriously and solve some questions. Okay,
Question 7 of exercise 5.7. Find the second order derivative of function e to the power 6x cos 3x. Well, let us solve it. Solution. Let y equals to e to the power 6x cos 3x. Then differentiate with respect to x. Second order derivatives now. Two times we have to differentiate it two times. Here dy by dx on left hand side, dy dx of this. Here product of two functions, so we have to use formula u v dash, u dash v, v dash u. Okay, where u means e to the power 6x, v means cos 3x. Now first u dash means dy dx e to the power 6x, then v means cos 3x plus d cos 3x by dx e to the power 6x. This is u v dash equal to u dash v plus v dash u e to the power 6x v cos 3x. Clear? Now differentiate it, e to the power 6x, again differentiation of 6x, cos 3x, cos minus of sin 3x, again differentiation of 3x, so 3. Here 6x means dx by dx 1, so 6, so 6, and here minus sin 3x and d3xx, x1 3, so minus sin 3x 3, so we get 3 common out, e to the power 6x, so here 2 cos 3x minus sin 3x, so this is first derivative, this is first derivative of given function, that is y, dy by dx. Clear? Only using this formula we get first derivative. Now for finding second derivative, again differentiate it. Okay, so here this, now again differentiate with respect to x. Here 3 constant, e to the power 6x, and product of this dy dx, dy by dx, here left hand side, right hand side, dy dx of this. Now d2y by dx square, second time differentiation, left side, here 3 is constant, out of side, dy dx of this, here first function and second function. Also use this formula, u dash v, v dash u, means u means e to the power 6x, v means total to cos 3x minus sin 3x. Clear? So using this formula, 3 out of side, and u dash means d is e to the power 6x by dx, second function as it is, plus d by dx of second function, first function e to the power 6x. Now 3 is here. Now here differentiation of this 6 e to the power x is 6x, and second function as it is, plus d of this by this, d means dy dx of 2 cos 3x, 2 cos means minus sin 3x into 3, and minus of 2 minus sin is here. Now here also minus sin cos 3x into 3 e to the power 6x first function. Clear? Now solving it, 3 6 e to the power 6s second function minus of 2 like this same, into 6 into 2 multiply this in the inner side, so 12 e to the power 6x cos 3x minus 6 e to the power x sin 3x minus of 3 into 6 e to the power 6x sin 3x minus of 3 cos 3x e to the power 6x. So 3 of, here we see that 12 minus 3 means 9 e to the power x cos 3x minus 12 e to the power 6x sin 3x. Now common out 3 from here, so 3 9 e to the power 6x, 3 cos 3x minus 4 sin 3x, and this is the final second order derivative of the given function. Okay, only 2 times differentiate and we get second order derivative like this. Okay, this is the solution of question 7 of exercise 5.7. Okay, now take second question, question 10. Find second order derivative of the function sin log x. Clear? Composite function. Solve. Here let y equal to sin log x, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx left side, right side dy by dx of this. Now the derivative of sin cos log x, derivative of log x. Okay, so derivative of log x 1 by x, that is cos x by log cos x by x. This is first derivative. Now we have to differentiate again it with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x, then dy dx of apply on both side. So left side is this, right side is this, dy dx of this, u by v division formula. Clear? We have to use on right hand side, left hand side d2y by dx square, dy dx of this. Now using this formula, u by v dash, quotient rule. Please, u dash v minus v dash u upon v square, where v is cos log x and u is x. Here supposing u is v is x. Clear? V is x and u, v is x and u is cos log x. Clear? So u dash, that means d cos log x by dx dot v x minus dx by dx in reverse order, dx by dx, that is v dash into u v square, that is x square. Okay, now differentiate cos log x means 1 by cos log x means minus sin log x dot into again differentiate of log x into x minus dx by dx 1 cos log x. Clear? Right hand side minus sin log x d log x by this. Now here minus sin log x, log x, derivative of log x 1 by x, x is cancel, minus of cos log x, so we get what? Minus sin log x minus log cos x upon x square. This is the second order derivative. Clear? So this is final derivative, minus common sin log x plus cos log x upon x square. This is the second order derivative of question 10 of exercise 5.7. Okay, now take question 12. If y equal to cos inverse x, find d2y upon dx square in terms of y alone. That is, you have to differentiate this function cos inverse x 2 times and the final value must be in terms of only y. So let us solve it. Important questions. Let y equals to cos inverse x, differentiate with respect to x, so dy by dx equals to what? Dy dx cos inverse x. You know cos inverse x means minus of 1 upon root 1 minus x square, dy dx cos inverse minus of root 1 minus x square. So that's why we are applying like this. Clear? Now this is first order derivative. Now we have to find second order derivative, again differentiating with respect to x this. Clear? Now, dy dx apply on both sides, left side, this, right side, minus of 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so left side d2y by dx square and right side dy dx of minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So left side is this, right side minus common out 1 upon root of this means 1 minus x square power minus half. We can write like this. Now differentiate it. Okay, so minus here minus half सामने आएगा and 1 minus x square to the power minus half minus 1 and again differentiation of 1 minus x square 1 minus x square dash. Okay, so minus minus plus 1 by 2 and 1 minus x square power minus half minus minus 3 by 2 into here derivative of 1 0 x square 2x minus 2x minus 2x. Okay, 2 to cancel minus x minus 2 to cancel minus x 2 and 2 cancel minus x 1 minus x square power minus 3 by 2. Clear? Now we can adjust this minus x upon 1 minus x square power 3 by 2. Negative power, we can take this in denominator like this, making positive power like this 1 minus x square. Clear? Now we have to convert it in terms of y by using y equal to cos inverse x. Okay, this is the main but we need to calculate d2y by dx in terms of y. So here y equal to cos inverse x. So from here x equal to cos y equals to x. Here that is x equal to cos y. So x equal to cos y. So putting x equal to cos y in equation d2y by dx square, just to get it minus x upon minus x square power 3 by 2. So in place of x we have to write cos y. So we get d2y upon dx square equals to minus cos y upon 1 minus cos y square 3 by 2. 1 minus cos square y means sin square y. Sin square y power 3 by 2, 2 to cancel sin q. Clear? As 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Now d2y by dx equal to minus cos y upon sin square, this 2 to cancel out. Now minus cos y upon sin y power 3, that is minus cos y upon sin y into 1 upon sin y square minus cot y into cosec 1 minus 1 by sin means cosec square 1 minus cosec square y and minus cot y cosec square y. This is the second order derivative of the given function in terms of y. Okay, the last step is very important, so remember it, very important questions. Okay, this is the solution of question 12 of exercise 5.7. Question 13 of exercise 5.7. If y equal to 3 log cos x plus 4 sin log x, show that x square y2 means d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx means y1 plus y equals to 0. So let us solve it. Here given y equals to 3 cos log x plus 4 log sin log x. Clear? So here two types of methods are for solving this question. You can find y1 and y2 means dy by dx and d2y by dx square, and then put y1 y2 in the left hand side and solve it, reduce it, you can get 0 as the right hand side. Then it will show that this is equal to 0. And another method is this, by using in between values we can also get like this. So here we use differentiate with respect to x, second method, with respect to x, then left hand side dy by dx equal to minus, here term by term differentiation, first of this 3 log cos log x, so minus of cos, derivative cos, minus of 3 sin log x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus 4 cos of log x into 1 by x. Clear? Now here in both term denominator is x, so taking LCM and transfer to left hand side, so x dy by dx, then here minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Clear? Like this Now again differentiate it. Clear? Again differentiate it. Here product of two function x into dy by dx. This is because this is also a function of x, that's why. So left hand side x dy by dx derivative of this equals to right hand side term by term differentiation. First term derivative is dash, second term derivative is dash. Okay, now left side x dy by dx dash equals to minus this same. Left hand side x dy by dx as it is. Here derivative of this minus 3 constant sin log x cos log x 1 dash plus 4 constant cos minus sin log x dash. Now proceed. Minus 3 cos log x dash means 1 by x. Here also 1 by x. Also you can get x in denominator on the right hand side, so transfer to left hand side. Also from now left derivative of second left hand side on first function second function. First function x derivative of first function x dash into dy by dx plus x into derivative of second, that is dy by dx dash means dy by dx square. I again differentiate it here. X dash dy by dx x dash means dx by dx 1 dy by dx plus x d2y by dx square. Right hand side is this as same as it is. Clear? Now take it. Now taking LCM and transfer x minus 1 by x this. Okay, so 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. What is this? This is the given value of y as y equal to this. So we can put here y. So minus y by x. Okay, minus y here, x transferring in the left hand side this. Now product multiply it x dy by dx plus x square d2y by dx square minus y equals to 0. So we get what? X square d2y by dx square is x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx x dy by dx plus y equals to 0. So this is the required result. So we have showed that this. Okay, clear? Here main point is this is equals to y. So that's why we put in place of this y, and then we can adjust it and we can get the required result. So this is the solution of question 30. Okay, now taking question 14. Here y equals to a e to the power mx b e to the plus b e to the power nx, so that this in a similar fashion of question 13. Okay, d2 this is a y2 d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m n y equal to 0. Here you can also find the value of y1 that is dy by dx and y2 d2y by dx square. We have to use this method. Okay, taking left hand side equal to right hand side here. Okay, now given y equal to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx, so differentiate with respect to x. So left side dy by dx equal to dy dx of this. Now term by term differentiate dy by dx equal to dy dx of this both a constant b constant. So out of side to the power mx means m e to the power mx e to the power mx dy dx mx dy dx nx. Same process for n m e to the power mx n e to the power nx. So we get first order derivative dy by dx equal to a m e to the power mx plus b n e to the power nx. Clear? This is first derivative means value of dy by dx. This value of y, this value of dy by dx. Now we have to find value of d2y by dx. That is again differentiate it with respect to x. Here dy by dx equal to this. Again differentiating with respect to x. Left hand side dy by dx equal to dy dx of right hand side. Again term by term differentiate dy dx of both am constant bn constant. So taking out of am bn not e to the emx nx n m e to the power mx n e to the power nx. Okay, so differentiate it m e to the power mx n e to the power nx like this m n. Clear? M am square here bn square to the nx. This is the value of dy by dx. Clear? d2y by dx square a m square to the power mx plus b n square to the power nx. This is the value of second order derivative. So we have got we have already find out what dy by dx d2y by dx square and also given y equal to this. So put these three value in left hand side. Okay, we need to prove this is equal to 0. Clear? So left hand side equal to this d2y by dx square, dy by dx mn y this. Now put the value d2y by dx square, this is the value of d2y by dx square, and now minus m plus n dy by dx, this is the value of dy by dx, and mny, this is the value of y. Now multiply it. Now here m plus n, multiply it and solving it, adjusting am square e to the power mx, am square e to the power mx plus minus, also this is plus plus here mn e to the power mx, mn e to the power mx, this cancel out, also this cancel out, also mn this is cancel out, and this cancel out. Here the sign will be negative, here the sign will be negative, so yes, here sign will be negative, so all are cancel out. Clear? So term by term, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, that is 0, that is 0. So right hand side, hence proved, left hand side equal to right hand proved. This is the substitution method. Okay, so this was the solution of question 14. Here this type of question you can also prove by in between substituting value, but here just find the first order and second order derivative and put on the left hand side and reduce and solving it, and you can get the right hand side at 0, left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay, this is the question 14 of exercise 5.7. Clear? Question 16 of exercise 5.7. If e to the power y x plus 1 equal to 1, then show that d2y by dx square equals to dy by dx square. Important questions. Okay, so let us solve it. Solution: we need to show that d2y by dx square equals to dy by dx square. Clear? For that we can use in between substituting the values. Here given e to the power y x plus 1 equals to 1. Clear? Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So dy dx, apply dy dx on both sides, d1 by dx, that is right hand side will be 0, and here e to the power y x plus 1, product of two functions. Okay, so implies this is equals to 0. Now implies using product rule, what? u dash v, v dash plus v dash u. Here u equals to the power y, v equals to x plus 1. Okay, so d e to the power y upon dx dot x plus 1 plus d by dx x plus 1 and e to the power y. This is using this rule. Okay, this is u, this is v. Then you can get like this. Okay, now solve it. D e to the power y with this. Okay, now derivative of this e to the power y, this is composite function because y is function of x. So derivative of this, what? D e to the power y upon dx, and dy by dx, then transfer dy here and dx here. Okay, here x plus 1, so term by term differentiation dx by dx plus dy by dx. Now here d e to the power y upon y, here dx, here dy. Now here d e to the power y derivative, here 1 and 0, here e to the power y and dy by dx means dy by dx x plus 1 plus e to the power y, here 1 plus 0 e to the power y equals to 0. Now e to the power y dy by dx x plus 1 equal to e to the power minus y on right hand side. Clear? Now dy by dx e to the power y, here e to the power y cancel out, this minus e to the power y upon e to the power y x plus 1, here cancel out, minus 1 upon x plus 1. So dy by dx equal to this. Now we have to differentiate again. This is first order derivative. Now for finding second order derivative, again differentiating with respect to x. So left hand side dy by dx equal to dy by dx minus 1 by 1 plus 6. Here second part order derivative d2y by dx square, and right hand side u by v dash means quotient rule. U equal to 1, here u equal to 1, v equals to x plus 1, v equals to x plus 1. So x plus 1 square, b square, and here b only x plus 1, x plus 1, u dash means 1 dash d1 upon dx minus of v dash b means what, x plus 1, so dx plus 1 upon dx into u means 1, minus is outside. Okay, now this is 0, so this total will be 0, minus dx plus 1 upon this, so minus minus plus, here dx plus 1 term by term differentiation, 1 plus 0, so here 1 plus 0, here minus minus plus, 1 into 1 1, so this is equals to minus 1 upon 1 plus x plus 1 का whole square, second order derivative. Clear? Here hence d2y upon dx square equals to 1 upon x plus 1 का square, but we have to prove that this, we can write this quantity can be written like minus 1 upon x plus 1, because after squaring we can get like this, so this can be adjusted like this, because this is equals to what, first order derivative, that's why we are using like this, because we have already got that first order derivative as minus 1 upon x plus 1, so you can put here dy by dx, that is dy by dx square, d2y by dx square equal to this. This is the main step of this question, so remember it. Okay, hence proved. So d2y upon dx square equal to dy upon dx square. Clear? So this was the question 16 of exercise 5.7. Okay, now take question 17. Here important questions. Okay, if y equal to tan inverse x square, then show that x square plus 1 square y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 y1 equals to 2. Here you can also find y1 and y2 and put on the left hand side and get right hand side as 2. This is one method, and another method is in between substituting value we can get this type of relation. Y2 means d2y upon dx square, y1 means dy by dx. Okay, so let us solve it. Here we have y equal to tan inverse x square. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, so left hand side dy by dx y dash, dy by dx means y dash, you can write also. So here differentiation 2 of tan inverse x into again differentiation of tan inverse x means 1 upon 1 plus x square. So transferring 1 plus x square on the left hand side, so 1 plus x square y dash equals to 2 tan inverse x, y dash means dy by dx or y1. Okay, like this. Now again differentiating on both sides, here product of two function, dy y dash 1 plus x square per dash, right hand side 2 into tan inverse square, tan inverse x derivative with respect to x 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is the formula, tan inverse x dash means 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, right hand side getting like this, left hand side this, derivative of this two product, this product, the first function, second function. Okay, so y this derivative is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Now we are having like this. Now left hand side, this is using product rule, using product rule here, differentiation of what, first function y dash, differentiation of 1 plus x square dash into y dash, here will be y dash. Okay, here will be what is missing, here is missing y dash, 1 plus x square dash into y dash plus y double dash is derivative of this 1 plus x square, 2 upon x square. Now here y dash. Okay, so 1 plus x square into y dash, 1 plus x square dash means 1 0 2x, so 2x y dash, missing y dash, this is 2x, derivative of this is 2x, so 2x into y dash plus y double dash 1 plus x square. Now multiply 1 plus x square on both sides, or taking this as on the left hand side as a product. So 2x y dash into 1 plus x square plus y double dash 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square. So here we get 1 plus x square 1 plus x square y double dash plus 2x 1 plus x square y dash. So equal to 2, that is what? Y double dash means this 1 plus x square plus 2x 1 plus x square y1 equals to 2. So this is the required result. Here y dash is missing, so take in note y dash is here. Okay, now in between solving we can prove like this. Okay, we have got the result. Clear? Also you can prove it by finding first order derivative, second order derivative, and putting this value on left hand side, getting right hand side as 2, or this method. Okay, this method is, both methods are okay, but this method is very short and right method. Okay, so this was the result of question 17 of exercise 5.7. so note down it. So all the questions you have to write in your homework copy. So dear students, please take it seriously and note down all questions. Okay.